Every morning, the same way, dragging myself out of bed, chasing the time that never slows down. The same routine repeats work, noise, pressure, over and over again. Each day blends into next. Yet I'm keep moving. One task ends, another begins. The week feels endless, but deep inside, I'm holding on. Because I know this won't last forever.
Finally, Saturday. Dragging whole week for this stress-free. See the reality.
It's 12:35 midnight and tomorrow is the ride, so there's zero preparation for it and it's a last moment plan, so now I'm prepping my bike and I have to leave by 8. Let's hope for the best. I'll reach on time.
A few moments later.
Before doing any preparation to the bike, I thought of checking the engine oil level and it was very low. I mean seriously low. So it's almost 1 a.m. now and I'm doing engine oil change. Yeah, that's how things are going so far.
I have warmed the bike already, so now I'm just gonna lose the drain nut and drain the oil. Let's see how much was left. So time to put the new one.
So it's almost 2 a.m. now. I just changed the oil, just cleaned the bike. Here you can see. So that's it for today. See you when I wake up. Like always, I didn't record much. I just got ready and kept my bike on to let her warm up. Today I'm wearing normal clothes. Hopefully nothing happens and fingers crossed. Basically we are 6 or 7. Me, Vishwanath, Mohit, Atharva, Deeptesh or his friends, then Swaru. Actually I'm already late. Anyways, we are moving now, so there's no point being early. So let's head to the ride.
Two hours later.
आठ झाली रे विश्वनाथ.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
इतना चुभने लगा हूँ सबको.
Few inches later.
जीव जाए देगा.
गाडीच्या उभं राहतात.
Featuring is my pride gamer है. Featuring बस स्टँडच मानत नाही ना. एक दिन होगा, एक दिन.
We stop for a tea break and then continue through the ghats.
माझ्या मरे फुल लँड म्हाजो खबर हा विकलाय तांकां तो
मास्क काड मातशें मास्क काड मातशें
कोण देव हा रे तुका खबर ना माझ्या मरे फुल लँड आहे विकले तांकां भय पयशे दिवन हांव
EMI
तोंडान घेताले मरे
जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं सूत्रों के अनुसार क्या बोला तूने सूत्रों के अनुसार और बाइक्स खड़ी है यहाँ पे हम बारिश के लिए रुके हैं सबके पास रेनकोट है मेरे पास रेनकोट नहीं है तो मैच बुक के जाने वाला मार चुका है
It started raining heavily, so I have to switch off the camera and we went straight to the location. But unfortunately, Vishwanath's bike stalled and it just won't start. After 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes of endless kicking and attempts, it finally rode back to life. I climbed the hill that he couldn't, and from there we pushed ahead towards our destination. Just before we reach our final destination, we stumble upon a beautiful spot, perfect for clicking some bike pictures. After a quick round of photography, we continued our journey. We finally reached. हांगासर फोटो काडया
ए विश्वनाथ 60 किलोमीटर कितला टाइम लागतो
माझी मिस्टेक
9:30 आम्ही बाहेर चाललेले
सगळ्यात लेट चल विश्वनाथच गाडी किरात
विश्वनाथच रे एव्हरी टाइम रे
काय येलो ले गाडी ठेवले
तोळा मारलं ठोक करून
विश्वनाथ पय तू येलो ले ओके आता
कामगीर 8:30 आता फोटो काढ
रे जातात रे
सबसे ज्यादा देर विश्वनाथ की वजह से
कोणाला दाखवता तू हा
आणि ना
पण मेरा ये वो
नो चालू केला तुला बिल आहे वो आपण देतो उग्या आपण करता उग्या खूप ब्रो आधी माझ्याकडे म्हटलं हाव फॉर्मानीला म्हणजे
इथले फोटो रे एका दिवसात फर्स्ट टाइम आले अय इथले मी राईड केला पण इथले
हाव केन्ना फोटो काढता सो फायनली आफ्टर कितली वरां रे 3-4 दिसता न्हू 6-7
200
SGM रे त्यांनी